Good morning, class. So today we're going to draw a flower vase with a little bit of detail. Flowers, some little spring animals, right? So I want you to have it portrait way, right? So this is landscape. We have it sideways, landscape or hot dog. This is hamburger or portrait. We're going to draw a picture portrait. So I am going to hang up the picture on the wall next to our board. I'm going to draw it on the board. You're going to draw it on your blank pieces of paper. So you're going to need either a pencil, if you want to start out with pencil so you can erase, or start with a black marker like we always do, right? So this is going to be my paper. You're going to draw it on a regular white piece of paper. I'm going to draw on the board so that we can see it clearly. First thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the vase. In order to draw the vase, I want you to pick where the middle of your paper is. We're going to draw a little rectangle like that. All right? Leave the top for the flowers later. We're drawing just this piece right here. Now we're moving on to the vase. I want you to draw two lines going down. Depending on how long it is, that's how long your neck of the vase is going to be. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle, a little bit longer. And this is going to be the base of our vase. Okay. If you're drawing with pencil, it's okay to make a mistake. If you're drawing with pen, it's also okay to make a mistake because we're all learning, right? The best thing to do is keep those mistakes and make it into a happy little accident, right? You can change whatever mistake you make into something else. But anyway, we're going to draw the bottom right here. Two lines, meet it across. Now we're going to decorate the vase. It might look complicated, but when you break it down step by step, it will be easy peasy. So let's start with the bottom. Little triangles. Up, touch the top, go to the bottom. Up, down, all the way to the other side. Right? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to design the neck of the vase. So let's start with the line right here. I have hearts here. You can draw anything you want. But if you're following me, you can do hearts. But again, any shape you want, right? Whatever shape you like. We're going to draw another line. More triangles. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until you get to the other side. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to draw another line. Pick another shape. Over here in my example, our little circle. You can draw a little triangle, square, rectangle, whatever you like. Right? This is your vase. You can make the design. We're going to start with the centerpiece right here. So I want you to draw two lines going across. And remember, if I'm going too fast for you, pause the video and then press play when you're all caught up. Because again, go at your own pace, right? Right, middle design, we have square and circle. I am going to do triangle and upside down triangles, right? Be creative. If you want to do something different, go for it. This drawing is only a guide to help you draw certain things, but honestly, add your own twist to it, right? This one has little dots up and down. I am going to do little circles. All right. Last thing we're going to do is a little bit more design on top and bottom. So let's do this. Draw a line going across. Draw a line going across. And if you're interested to see how I got that pattern, all you do is start at the edge and you're making little loops. Little loops, or like little waves, right? Little U's. Do the same thing on the bottom, except for opposites. So this time, little rainbows. And just like that, you have your vase. Now we're going to add the flower. when you add your flower, I want it to kind of on top of the vase. I don't want it to be like kind of down here, right? Keep it on the top, center. We're gonna learn a few different patterns and different design for our flowers. Let's start with the middle one right here. It's just like a daisy, right? You can draw a little circle for the center. You're gonna add little dots on the inside. Next you're gonna do is flower petals. Pick a spot and it's just up and down, all the way around. Right? Why don't you pick another place somewhere around here and draw your second flower. Next one we're gonna do is a rose. I'm gonna do it right here, and I want you to do the top of the rose, which is an oval. Make a little swirl in the center. And then you're gonna start one end, you can make a U. We're gonna draw the inside, just a little curved line, small little curved line, all right? All right, now it's your turn. Find a different spot to put your next rose. All right, next what we're gonna do is a flower with many, many layers, right? So I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna draw a circle. This time I'm gonna do a little swirl on the inside. And I'm gonna do a row of small petals all the way around. Now the key for the next step is in between the two petals, you can draw another petal, right? In between these two petals right here, see that? These two petals, you can draw another petal. So it's gonna be in between the first layer, just like that. All right. Next flower we're gonna do is like a tulip or a flower bud that hasn't bloomed yet. So I'm gonna do a U shape. We're gonna do the loop on top. We're gonna do little lines. And we're gonna do a little circle. We're gonna do another one up here. Another U. Loops. Little lines. Little circles. All right. Now it's your turn. Double up the flower, add some more design. Fill up this base. And pause this video until you are caught up. In a little bit, we're going to do the stems and leaves. All right, let's move on to stem and leaves. So now for the stem, I'm going to make sure that it comes from the flower and go into our vase. So you want to start with the one that's closest to your vase. So like this flower, you're going to start at the bottom of the flower and you draw two little lines going into the vase. This one's next closest to the vase, two little lines from the bottom of the flower into the vase. This flower into the vase, two little lines. These right here, you might have to watch carefully. Start at the bottom like we always do. Draw a line, get to the base, up. When it touches another flower, stop, right? You're gonna skip that flower until you pass that other flower and go down to the base. So again, follow that line. Oh, that one's fine. Let's say we do this one. It's right here. We're gonna draw a line on the bottom. Skip the flower that's next to it, all the way down, and go down to your base. Skip the flower that's right there, go into your base, right? Last flower. I'm gonna make it turn curve a little bit, so I'm gonna draw here. Skip the neighbor flower, go into your base. Skip the neighboring flower, go into the base, all right? You wanna do that until you get all the stem into the base, skipping the other flowers. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the leaves. So you're gonna go up, down, and you wanna add it on the stem, right? Draw a line in the middle, up, down. If you are really close to another flower, same thing as the stem, you wanna skip that, go in between, all right? Let's say if I wanna do one right here. Oh, that flower's in the way, so I'm just gonna draw part of it, right? It's okay to not see everything. Feel free to add as many leaves as you want. Fill up your vase. Make it full. And I like the way that looks. All right, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw some cute little animals that's checking out the vase. So let's start with our little bumblebee on top right here. I'm gonna add it right here, okay? We're gonna do an oval for the body. We're gonna draw a curved line. Now it's little eyes and mouth. And now we're gonna add more line going down. So the face, we're gonna leave it white for now. We're gonna color in yellow later. But we're gonna leave the face white, color in black, skip the next little line, color in black. So it should be a little pattern, right? Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a little stinger, which is a little triangle, color it in. 2 little antennas, little circle on top, wings, 6 little legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, draw another bumblebee if you want. I will do it right here. Wings, stingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Next, what we're going to do is a butterfly. I'm going to draw this one right here. All right. Start with the face, eyes, mouth. Draw a long oval for the body. Little line in between. Antennas. Now for the wings. They're oval. The first 2 are going to be bigger. Again, if it's touching your flower, skip over it. And the next one is going to be smaller, like that. Alrighty. Now for your wings, you can design it however you want. I'm just going to put little circles in each part of the wings. Next, we're going to have these little snails down here. So I'm going to draw one right here. Start with the face. You want to draw a little circle with the face. Eyes, mouth. Body goes down and curve out, depending on which way it's moving, right? Kind of like an L. All right, now time for the shell, which is like a rainbow. You draw a little line. And we're going to do a swirl. 2 little antennas. We're going to draw another snail going the opposite direction. If you find that this is a little hard, let's do it this way, where you draw the shell first. Connect the shell. Draw the bottom of the shell. Draw your swirl on the inside. Then we can draw his face, right? So right here. I'm gonna make this a happy snail. Body goes to the shell, curve around the shell like that. All right. The last thing we're gonna do, because Easter's just right around the corner, we're gonna draw a little chick hatching from an egg. First thing you wanna do is we're gonna draw the bottom of the egg. This is a U shape. If you run out of room, right, like it's touching a base, skip it. You don't wanna make it too small, so make a U. Pretty much make the shape, but right behind all your animals and base. All right, since the shell is cracked, we're gonna do a little zigzag from one end to the other. Now we're gonna draw the face of our little chick. Draw a little oval. Then we're gonna draw the eyes, which is 2 small circles, and color in just a part of it. Beak is an upside down triangle, line, and draw a V. All right, let's draw his wings. So it goes out, out, little curves, like that. The chick is going to hold the other part of the shell, so right by his wing, you're going to draw a zigzag. And loop the other part of the shell. So it's almost like a rainbow on top, right? We're going to just draw some detail, so this little lines. And if you want to, you can draw a line for maybe this is a table or on the grass. But it goes from one side, skip your animal, to the other side. And let's see. We can follow little tracks for the bumblebee. Where is it gonna fly? Little dots, don't put them all randomly, right? Start where the stinger is and make a little track. Little dots, put them next to each other. Skip some stuff. If these two wanna visit each other, right? We're gonna make it go all the way around. And that's it. And that is our spring vase with some cute little animals. Next step is going to be to color it, but for now,